Sir, I'm going to recommend, though, you don't use private property. I'm going to recommend you don't use private property to extort the public again.
Okay.
Because your back tire was on private property.
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Conducting speed enforcement.
But you're on private property.
Negative, sir. Sidewalk.
No, right there.
City property.
Sir, right there.
That fence line's right there where they put their cane.
No, sir. This is private property where your back tire is.
Okay.
Would you mind getting off private property?
Well, I have permission by the security guards to be where I'm at right now.
You don't have permission by the owner, sir.
Well, they represent the owner.
No, they don't. I'm the owner, and I'm asking for you not to have your bike on private property.
Show me proof that you're the owner, sir.
Okay, here's my ID.
Hold on, I gotta catch this guy going 65 and a
Can you
35.
please not be on private property ever again? Thank you, sir. What's up, everybody? It's Senate, also known as Mr. Checkpoint, and this is why we always film the police. If you have police videos, you could send them to mrcheckpoint.com/submit. That's mrcheckpoint.com/submit. And you can send your cop videos there with all the details about what happened. We can check it out and we will make sure to share it. Now, my question is, if this officer was hiding and the cars are speeding, who is he making safer? I believe that the officers hiding are protecting nobody. In fact, they are doing nothing but generating and extorting money from the public. If he wanted to make sure cars slow down, then he would be visible. You know, that would be one way to make sure that cars slow down. But instead, he's hiding. He's waiting till cars go fast. Then he goes really fast to catch up to them. And then he writes them a ticket so that they can pay money. Now, if the person can afford to pay the money, might not be a big deal. But if that ticket might be $80, $150, $200, if someone can't afford that, well, now they're at risk of losing their license. They're at risk of losing their vehicle. They're at risk of having to rely on public transportation. And we all know that takes longer and is in something that we should have to rely on if we have the ability to drive. This is not about public safety, and this is wrong. So watch what happens. Watch what I tell this officer when he's done writing that ticket. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at Mr. Checkpoint. We also have the nonprofit 501c3, Always for the People. You can find that at aftpfoundation.com. That's aftpfoundation.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and let's see how this goes. Sir, I'm going to recommend, though, you don't use private property. I'm going to recommend you don't use private property to extort the public again.
Okay.
Because your back tire was on private property.
Okay.
Thanks for wasting our time. Thank you for not protecting and serving anybody. That is not protecting and serving. Is that why you signed up?
Can't hear you.
That's why you signed up to be a cop?
What's your question?
You signed up to be a cop so you could hide and write tickets?
So I can stop people going 65.
So you could
and
hide and
35,
write
yeah.
tickets and extort money?
People going 65
It must
and
be that
35.
time of the month, huh? End of the month, right? Shame on you.
Okay.
I thought you signed up to protect and serve. You didn't do shit.
That's what I'm doing, protect.
No, you don't do shit. You hide and you extort money, and you're on private property. Shame on you. Don't come back here and don't go on private property again.
Have a good night, sir.
Do not go back on private property.
Have a good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. We're done with you.